First of all, we add frame. If you click frame, you'll see a few variation of screen sizes. Here it listed phones and then tablets, and then we have desktops, smartwatches, even papers. So I'm using one of the phone sizes. Let's say we choose iPhone 8. So this is the iPhone 8 size. If you look carefully, the size of iPhone 8 is stated here, 375 by 667. So if you want to change the size, it will be clicking frame again, and then you can choose other sizes, and then you can see that the width and height is updated. So let's change the size. We choose bigger screen size like iPhone 11 Pro Max. That will be a larger size. If you choose a new size, the name still remain the same, but actually it's a new template. It's iPhone 11 Pro. So the name doesn't update if you change after you choose the first one. So even though you choose Android, it's still iPhone 8.1. So you can actually rename this as your home page. Okay, let's say we have 3 links. So I will build 3 pages using the text tool. Okay, we'll type the first link is, let's say we are doing a comparison of prototyping tool. First one is Figma. Let's change the text size, make it bigger. Okay, all the properties is on the right side. Currently it's Roboto. Size, you make it larger. Okay, that will be suitable to the screen size. Okay, to make your work easier, okay, you can actually duplicate this by using your hotkey Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So it will duplicate the same text. You can move it and change the text. Second tool is the market leader, which is Sketch, which is very well known among Mac user. And then I will duplicate again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Then we have another well-known tool called Adobe XD. Okay, can you change so that the alignment is fixed nicely? Or you can use the alignment tool by highlighting all 3 and then choose whether you want to set it as align top or align middle or align bottom and so on. Okay, next we are going to duplicate home, so we'll get another 2 pages, or the correct term in Figma is frame. So instead of creating new pages, I will duplicate home. Okay, what you can do is you can collapse home here or expand it. Okay, and then you click Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. So we have another page here, or the correct term again is actually frame. Okay, we duplicate so that we have 3 pages or 3 frames. Okay, the first one is home. Home is actually Figma. Then second one is actually a content for Sketch. The third one is the content for Adobe XD. Okay, done. Next, before we move on, let's name our project. This is an app. Give it a name. Roto tools. Okay, comparison of prototyping tools. We are going to link the text to the content. Okay, so what is the content? You can put the description here. Let's say this is the content for Figma. Okay, you can put a description here. What is my advantages? Okay, you can paste it in the other pages by selecting from the shortcut. This is the text box for Figma. Okay, let's see some advantages of Figma. Figma is browser based, so that is one of the advantage compared to the other two tools. Okay, so I will put the description of Figma. Figma is browser based and so on, so you can change the text style. Instead of bold, maybe make it regular. Okay, if you want to change the alignment of the text, you go to the design and then scroll down. Okay, the button to align is this one, align to the top, align middle, align bottom. So we change the alignment, make it to top align. Okay, maybe we can add more content. We want to test whether scrolling is acceptable. So here we have the text is longer than the screen size, or the longer than the frame size. Okay, if this is the case, what we can do is, let's choose this one is actually for Figma. This one is Sketch. Okay, make sure you do the naming correctly. Figma, Figma content, Sketch, Sketch content, SD content. Okay, so what we can do is we choose the Figma frame and do not clip the content. Okay, so the content will appear. It is longer than the frame. And go to prototype and then allow scrolling, vertical scrolling. Okay, so the content will be scrollable. Okay, next what I can do is I can copy this text. Which text? This one. Okay, we are going to copy this text and paste it here and here. Okay, so hit the Control C, then go to XD, Control V, and then Sketch, Control V again. So what we get is the text will appear in Sketch and XD. Okay.